Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Starlink no internet. So you need to follow these steps. So step 1, check the Starlink app. Open the Starlink app, check for alerts like offline, searching or obstructed. Follow any in-app troubleshooting suggestions. Step 2, check cables and connections. Unplug the router power cable. Check the cable from the dish to the router and then make sure all connections are fully inserted. Plug everything back in. Loose cables are a common cause. Step 3, power cycle restart. Unplug the router, wait 2 to 5 minutes, plug it back in, wait for the dish to reconnect, can take several minutes. And then step 4, check for obstructions. Open the Starlink app, use the obstruction tool. Make sure there are no trees, buildings, or objects blocking the dish. Even small obstructions can interrupt service. And then step 5, factory reset if needed. Unplug and plug the router back in 6 minutes in a row. Wait for it to reset. Reconnect to Wi-Fi and set it up again. Only do this if other steps fail. Step 6, check for outages. In the Starlink app, check for service outages. Visit Starlink support page if needed. When to contact support. If the dish won't move, you see hardware damage, the app shows persistent offline, contact Starlink support through the app, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.